Your customers are dying to spend more, but the technology you're using to sell your stuff is literally stopping them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop that problem with the newest addition to SamCart's Checkout Anywhere. My name is Scott Moran. I'm the co-founder here at SamCart, and this week we are launching a bunch of new updates to SamCart's latest and greatest checkout technology that makes us the world's fastest, most powerful checkout experience for product creators. And when I say Checkout Anywhere, I mean the latest and greatest experiences that include Embed, Express, and Slide Out. Each of these experiences is powered by new lightning-fast technology, awesome features that boost conversions like stored credit cards, one-click Apple Pay, buy now, pay later options. And as of today, we will be adding in PayPal as the latest and greatest technology now available inside of Checkout Anywhere. But it's not just any PayPal, it's SamCart's brand of PayPal. Tell me if this sounds familiar. Your PayPal customers can come, they can buy with PayPal, but whatever technology you're using right now to sell your stuff, that's it. All they can buy is the first product you put in front of them. They can't add anything to their order. They can't sell subscriptions or trials or payment plans or any of that. And because we know that 18% of all orders placed through SamCart are still placed through PayPal, limiting what those people can spend is a massive hit to your bottom line. Until right now. SamCart's brand of PayPal allows you to tap into all the expansion revenue features that you know and love. And we'll demo them so you can see exactly what your customers will see right now. So this is exactly what your customers are going to experience when they land on your SamCart checkout. They'll go ahead and come here. They'll be able to see specific details about the product that you are selling them. They've got different order bumps and everything they can add to their order to maximize your sales. In this example, you'll notice that the order bump I just added is a subscription, a $9.95 a month membership. You'll be able to scroll right past the one-click Apple Pay, stored credit cards with Stripe link, right past credit card, and down here at the bottom, you will see PayPal. And so with PayPal selected, all I need to do is go ahead and just click that one button. The only thing your customers need to type in is their name and their email. Everything else is taken care of for them. So it's super, super short, awesome experience. And I'll go ahead and just log into my PayPal account to complete this order. Your customer then gets confirmed about how they want to pay using their bank account, PayPal balance, any credit cards that they have hooked up. And all of a sudden, we will be redirected right back into SamCart. But wait, there's more. Here is a true one-click upsell page offered to PayPal customers. So this is a one-click upsell built with SamCart where I can actually add another item to my cart. So not only did I add things at checkout, my order bumps added them in, but you can use one-click upsells to do true one-click purchasing, which I'll go ahead and do right now. Having this in your pocket with PayPal customers, right? Like we said, almost 1 out of 5 orders placed on the internet still placed with PayPal. So do not settle for your PayPal customers being limited by what they can spend. You can be doubling or tripling your profit margins by letting your PayPal customers do stuff like this. And it is very, very specific to SamCart's awesome PayPal integration, now available on our newest checkout technology. But just like that, my order is complete. I am done. PayPal customers, rejoice. Now, let's head into SamCart and show you guys exactly how easy it is to set this up. Connecting with PayPal is super simple. We'll have a link to a help article down below this video, but from your SamCart marketplace settings under processors, assuming you're already connected with PayPal, all you then need to do is go back to your products tab. And I'm gonna go ahead and search for the product that I want and open it up. And then you come over and click on the payments tab, and you'll be able to see this toggle right here, allow PayPal payments or not. Right alongside PayPal, you'll also see things like allowing digital wallets, which is to say accepting one-click Apple Pay, one-click Google Pay. And you'll also have alternative payment methods as well, where you can turn on buy now, pay later options like Affirm, Klarna, and Afterpay. But these very simple toggles, all you got to do is turn on what you want, come up and click Save Changes, and then come back to the Checkout Anywhere tab, and we'll go ahead and just grab the link to Express Checkout and open this up in a new tab. And just like that, you are armed with all the different alternative payment methods, Afterpay, Klarna, Affirm, PayPal, one-click Apple Pay, stored credit cards, all of that good stuff here to boost your conversions and help you make more money. And regardless of how your customers pay you, they can tap into that sweet, beautiful expansion revenue where people are adding whatever kind of products you want to sell, subscriptions, trials, paid trials, whatever, right? And have one-click upsells available to you after the sale as well. And that is the power of having the right tools for the job. Having the best tools for selling your products means more people are buying and they're spending more while they're doing it. And that now includes PayPal customers as well. If you guys want to check out all the newest updates to SamCart's Checkout Anywhere, our latest stuff, check out the link down below this video and take you to a page where you can get started with a free trial to SamCart or talk to our team about having them migrate you to SamCart for you, which is pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching this one. Go check out PayPal, now available on Checkout Anywhere. We'll see you in the next one.